Hello everyone. So this is another my project which I developed, and this is actually a platform where people can submit their details and buy the card, a card through which they can make a transaction on our products. Um, well, just like an e-commerce, if we develop some e-commerce platform, we can use that card there to make transactions. And how can we do that, and how it happens? Let me show you a little bit. uh, there we go. First I have to register myself, and there it goes. Okay, it says that user is taken and everyone is taken. Let me delete my first user. Okay, let's try it once again. Hit the submit. Okay, now you can see that I'm successfully registered. I have to go to my Gmail and verify, confirm my account, and log in with the Matic. Now here on the dashboard you can see that these three cards, and these are the three packages we provided on our platform. The silver card, which is cheaper than these two, and then golden card and the prepaid card. To buy these card we have to click our some card. Like in my case I'm going to purchase here three. Okay, let's come it again. Okay, now. Okay, to buy this card, we have to submit our to fill this KYC form. Let's do it. Okay, we have submit the details, but unfortunately, I can't connect the wallet connect or a Mio wallet, any wallet right now. But I can tell you what happens in this section. Once you connect your wallet, it will print your wallet address inside this field, and checks that how many coins do you have in that wallet. If you have a 5,000 plus tokens in your wallet, then you can able to buy this silver. If you have more than 10,000, then you will be able to buy the golden, and then so on. And let me show you the next part from another account. Here you can see the inside its admin side. Now here some user have submitted its KYC form and he asked for the golden card. Right now he is cancelled, but let me approve it and save it. Now go back here and submit with the login with the Ahmed. Okay, now on the dashboard you can see there is only the one card which I buy, and that was the golden one. And you can see I'm the owner of this card. I now since I have this card, I will be able to make purchases on the other platforms, uh, just like an e-commerce. As I have told you, if I make an e-commerce, I will put the functionality so that we can able to use this card there to make transaction. So this is a bonus point. Okay, I hope you like it. It was a simple one and a nice and decent website. And hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.